Yep, Aaron got a present. I think it's from Uncle Matt. Yeah, Megan.
Can I sit? Let's see what you
Help.
Aaron, open the whole thing. Aaron, no.
Go ahead, help her. But I think the box might need ripped up. There we go.
Whoa, hey.
What is it? Oh, show it to her.
Aaron, look what you guys. I'll play. Oh, wait.
Wow.
There's more stuff in there.
It's a kitty cat. Happy birthday, Aaron. We love you. Love Aunt Megan, Uncle Matt, Abby, and Hannah.
I'm opening this one.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
And you know what? And a box for the
Show her what it is. Show her it's a kitty cat.
Look at this.
It's a kitty cat.
I'm probably.
Meow.
So I want one. I want the stickers.
Oh, they're Aaron's. Can you show me your meow? Oh, meow. Say thank you, Aunt Megan, Uncle Matt.
You all kids.
We love kitties, huh? Aaron loves kitty cats. We put the kitty cat in there. Oh, and she's off.
Kitty.
Say meow. Meow. Where's your kitty cat? Yeah. Where's its bed? Where's the bed for the kitty cat? That's the bed. You put it in there. No, it's in your hand. I think there might all be in one box. Who do you have, Camden?
I have Santa.
You have Santa, the reindeer. Frosty, we have Frosty. I think Frosty's new. May, where are you going? Which one's going?
Mine.
Camden, help yours stand up. Alright, okay.
Oh, I'm getting off the ground. Ah, my face!
Oh
Yeah, I guess I broke that one.
my! Oh no. Carter, you want to do the reindeer? Go help the reindeer.
Yeah, Frosty's melting.
Oh.
Maybe someone will make Frosty. I gave you a special present.
You like? Which one do you have?
Wait, it comes with a reed?
Camden, who do you have?
Santa.
Don't punch him. You won't get any presents.
Santa.
And who's that, Carter? You're sad about the snowman. I'll have to see if I can find one somewhere. Another snowman. Can I give you a hug?
Okay, high fives for Santa.
High fives for Santa. There's so much nasty stuff.
I'm gonna rewatch and blow again.
No. Mommy.
Stop punching.
Christmas lights day.
Christmas lights.
Christmas lights.
Oh, I want to take a video of it. Can I get down? Oh, how are we gonna plug it in now? Or do you have a second batch?
This is the extent of the Christmas lights we put on the outside of our home. It's magical. Just magical.
What happened?
Pride of the neighborhood.
Yes. Erin found the hat that she refused to wear for Halloween, and suddenly it's the best hat ever. What do you have on your head? What's that, Erin?
Erin, Can I
Hat,
get a
right.
I'm gonna get
What happened?
My wife failed me. Told you we're in this relationship. It's supposed to remind me that there's two distinct sides to a plug.
Dunk. Put them up backwards. We gotta put them back the other way. Not sure what holiday we're preparing for. Carter, what are you? A Christmas lion? No. And we're
it broke.
having a shoe
My
change.
dad's gonna fix it.
Dorothy shoes?
Layla.
Hey, leave it alone. And let there be lights.
Yay!
We need more lights.
You want to see them, Aaron? Tell
need
Daddy to
more
pick you
lights. We need more lights, Dad.
up. Aaron wants to see them, Dad.
Whoa!
Let's go fix that
Her
puppy.
shoe fell off.
Let's go fix the puppy. Let's go fix the puppy.
Which directions?
Wait, Christmas! Woo! Christmas done.